How do I password protect specific Elementor sections? Use the Password Protection widget from PPWP plugin to any Elementor section and configure it. This protects individual sections. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Download and activate Password Protect WordPress Lite and Pro version in your WordPress dashboard. Step 2. Open the page you'd like to edit with Elementor. Step 3. Find Password Protection in the widget panel. Drag it to your target section. Step 4. In the Passwords field, enter your password. You can add multiple passwords separated by spaces. Step 5. Select user roles that bypass the password. For example, choose Editor if you want editors to access without entering a password. Step 6. In the Protected Content section, select Content type as Content. Then type or paste what visitors see after entering the password. Step 7. Scroll to Password Form Settings and update the headline, label, and description. You can also adjust form details like button text, loading message, and error message. Once you're finished, click Publish, and that's it. View the updated page with your password-protected section. Now, what if you want to protect an entire Elementor template instead of typing content directly? PPWP Pro lets you password protect saved Elementor templates. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open a new page in Elementor. Design your template using any Elementor elements you want. Headings, images, videos, buttons, whatever you need. Step 2. Once your design is ready, click the drop-down arrow next to the Publish button and select Save as Template. Give it a name and click Save. Your design is now saved to Elementor's library. It's available for export and reuse on any page or website. Step 3. Create a new page where you want the protected template to appear. Add the Password Protection widget from PPWP Pro. Step 4. Set your passwords and whitelisted roles just like before. Step 5. Under Protected Content, change the content type from Content to Saved Templates. Step 6. A new drop-down appears. Click it and select the template you saved earlier. Step 7. Click Publish. Your entire Elementor template is now password protected. When you use Save Templates, visitors enter the password and see your complete pre-designed Elementor template, not just text content. This is perfect for complex layouts, product showcases, or premium designs you've already created. How do I password protect specific Elementor sections? Add PPWP Pro's Password Protection widget to any Elementor section, configure passwords and protected content following the widget settings, then publish. The rest of your page remains visible. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.